Hey, Bill Vasey here. Thanks for watching this IsoWorx use case video. This one's going to demonstrate how IsoWorx can propagate drawings through 3 stage gates. From ISO out to work in progress, we're going to bulk change block attributes. From work in progress, we're going to not only bulk change attributes again, but change file names. And then lastly, we're going to be in the completed folder where we're going to batch process to PDF files. On the Stage Gate tab, we're going to focus on the ISO out stage gate. While in stage gates, you can update attributes and change file names. We're going to focus on the replace attributes. To get started, we're going to bounce to setup and just look at the line list that's been set up for this particular project. The line list is an Excel workbook that can be launched and modified. So if you want to change your drawing project name, for example, you can change all the values for all the targeted lines or isometric drawings and make whatever other changes are applicable to your Excel workbook. Once completed, save the workbook and we'll return to stage gates and process the drawings with the new values. Check all. Click the processor to launch the operation. It'll process all the drawings in the directory that were selected and move them to the next stage gate. So from ISO out, we're going to move to WIP. So once we close the results, we'll have to pivot to the next stage gate, and here we find all of our new files. If we inspect the files, we'll find that the border in this case was updated with the new project name, IsoWorx Demo. All attributes are targeted with IsoWorx, so any value can be updated. The next step will be to transition all the drawings from work in progress to issued or completed. Here we're going to also update the file names that are included in the Excel workbook. So with a single click on the Attribute plus Drawing processor, all 5 drawings are moved from the Work in Progress stage gate to the Issued or Completed folder. We'll notice that the file names have been changed from the line number. In this case, the size was replaced with ISO, and that was in the workbook. If we select all now, we can use the PDF publishing and publish to PDF files. And there's a nice feature here to combine multi-sheet ISOs into one file. So once the batch processor is complete making PDF files, we'll browse to the output directory for the completed folder and find our 3 isometrics. And indeed, the one line that had splits has been broken into 3 sheets but combined into one drawing. All right, that completes our stage gate processing, but to clean house, we can use another delete all button and get rid of all that good hard work and start over again. So that is using IsoWorx to walk through stage gates, ISO out, work in progress, and completed. Hey, thanks for learning about IsoWorx today and its stage gate capabilities. Thank you for watching.